Hello friends, I am Manish Thokade. Today's video topic is the main method in a Java. So we can see main method in Java. In Java, JVM Java Virtual Machine will always look for a specific method signature to start running an applications, and that would be public static void main and string args. Here arguments is an arguments args is an arguments of the types of string arrays. String arrays arguments can also be written as a string args. Then thought the type of the argument string array is fixed, you can still change the name from args to anything. Also also with the introduction of Java args args, then instead of writing string arguments can be used. Keep learning to know more about each and every keyword in Java programs. The point from where the program starts its execution, or simply the entry point of Java program, is the main method. Then hence it is one of the most important methods of the Java, and having proper understanding of it is very important. Then we see every word in the public static void main statement has got a meaning to the JVM. Then we see public, it is an access modifier which specifies from where and who can access the methods. Making the main method public makes it globally available. Then it is made public so that JVM can invoke it from outside the class, can it is not present in the current class. Then we see static, it is a keyword which is when associated with a method makes it a class related methods. Then main method is static so that JVM can invoke it without instantiating the class. This also saves the unnecessary wastage of memory which would have been used by the object declared only for calling the main methods by the JVM. Then we can see void, it is a keyword and used to specify that a method doesn't return anything. As main method doesn't return anything, its return type is a void. As soon as the main method terminates, the Java program terminates too. Hence it doesn't make any since the return from main method, as JVM can't do anything with the return values of it. Then we can see main method. Main, it is the name of the Java main method. It the identifier that the JVM looks for as starting points of the JVM programs, Java programs. It's not a keyword. Then we see string args. It store Java command lines, arguments, and it's an array of type Java language string classes. Here the name of the string array is the arguments, but is not the fixed, as user can use any name in a place of it. Then we see string args. The main method also accepts some data from the user. It accepts a group string which is called a string array. It is used to hold the command line arguments in the form of the string values. Then we see main string arguments. Here args is the array name. Then and it is of string type, it means it can be stored group of string. Remember, this array can also store a group numbers, but in the form of string only. Values passed to the main method is called arguments. These arguments are stored into the args array, so the name args it's generally used for it. used for. It's all about main method in the Java. Thank you.